and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Ultima Cosa 10-litre air fryer with rotisserie. For an air fryer that can do it all, there's nothing I like more than the Ultima Cosa 10-litre digital air fryer oven. With a mix of solid and slotted baking sheets as well as a rotisserie spit, it has all of the tools you need to roast a chicken, bake up some fries, dehydrate beef jerky, and make dessert. In its box, you'll find an oven door style air fryer that opens forwards with a bottom hinge leading the door downwards, just like an oven or a countertop toaster oven. Inside of the air fryer, there are 3 shelves, 1 solid drip tray, and 2 slotted baking sheets. Also included is a manual, a recipe book, and a set of stainless steel rotisserie tools, a poultry spit, 2 grill forks with screws, and a rotisserie retrieval tool, also known as a fetch rack. The screws on the poultry spit, on the little grill forks, do come out, so make sure to be really careful when you're washing them. This digital air fryer has 8 preset cooking programs, including warm, fries, steak, chicken, fish, vegetables, bacon, and shrimp, on a touchscreen display. It features separate time and temperature controls on the left and right sides, and bakes at a maximum of 400 degrees. Each preset program can be modified for what you're making that night. The classic countertop rotisserie item is a small chicken, which is what I made. Chickens aren't the only thing that you can rotisserie in an oven, though. You can also rotisserie items like small racks of ribs, little roasts, homemade donair meat, or, if you're a veggie family, large vegetable skewers. If you don't eat a lot of poultry and you're kind of interested in rotisserie, don't worry about it. You can still get a lot of use out of an at-home rotisserie. For this video, I tossed a whole chicken onto the rotisserie spit. I actually used a chicken recipe that I found in a chatelaine in 2005, and my family's been making it ever since. It's just softened or melted butter over top the whole bird, and then a bunch of salt, and inside you slip in a cut up lemon and some garlic. And it's just it turns out perfect every single time. But I've never rotisseried it before, so I was really nervous that I wouldn't get a good result. However, while I was a little bit incompetent, you can kind of see my bird flopping around here. The oven did a fantastic job. The bird came out moist and tender with this beautiful crispy brown skin covering the whole thing, not just one side. In addition to this chicken, I also use this oven to heat up leftovers and cook vegetables. It did a great job of both, heating up really quickly and warming my food in significantly less time than my range would have taken. I finished testing this oven by baking dessert in it. I made a banana cream pie, and it did a great job. However, I'd recommend adjusting your baking times in an air fryer, especially one as powerful and small as this one. Not that this is small for an air fryer, it's just small compared to a convection oven. I actually almost overbaked my pie crust. It took 8 minutes in this oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, despite the fact that the recipe recommended 15 minutes on 450. The rotisserie spit and grill forks included with this oven were easy to use, and its little rotisserie release lever, which was that little red toggle on the left-hand side of the device, meant that my cooking experience went really smoothly. Where I went wrong was in tying the bird with the included elastic that you buy a chicken with instead of kitchen twine. Apparently this is a huge mistake. I didn't know, and I won't do it in the future, but that's why the rotisserie function looks a little uneven. It's not because it spins unevenly, it's because my bird was flopping around. 100% my fault. And my second mistake was installing the drip tray on the bottom rack instead of on the floor of the oven. Once I changed it up, the bird rotated really nicely, and I got lots of delicious drippings to make a really tasty gravy with. Overall, I had a great experience using this air fryer, and I would definitely recommend it. Make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.